Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here we are with another nail tutorial. You know that I'm doing a Vlogmas where every day I'm doing nail design that is inspired by Christmas or holidays or like winter. So here is one of them. I am applying this nail polish that you can see in my video. I don't really remember where I got it, but if I do, I will write in description box below. But you want to pick out something that is similar to this color. It can even be just gold, but I love this one because it's very Christmassy to me. Then I'm picking my stamping plates and I'm stamping these beautiful images for my Christmas themed vibe that I have going on, and I really love this combination with white. I mean, it's my favorite. I'm picking up this beautiful design. I'm not sure how it's called, but it's so pretty. It's like a vintage thingy. I don't know, it's just so cute, so I just had to do it on my nail. I think this design is amazing and it looks so pretty, and you can have so much fun when it comes to stamping your nails. The reason I love stamping plates so much is because it's so easy to do and always looks amazing on your nails. I feel like you cannot go wrong with it, and I just love this whole combination. I think it's such a Christmassy vibe. It gives you that warm, cozy feeling. It's just something glamorous as well, so I absolutely love it. I hope you do as well. If you like this design, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in comments below. You can also check out my other videos that are Christmas nail art inspired, holiday designs, and let me know your thoughts. Also, I will talk with you tomorrow in a brand new video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.